for you to know, this is being recorded now to share with the other colleagues that didn't attend today. Welcome everyone. From my left off, Drang, Sidharth, Mentor Sidharth, thank you for being here. Aniru, Abhishek, Amit, Samadma, Deepen, Aniket. Good. So this is going to be simply a meet. I mean, before we started talking with Sidharth, Mentor Sidharth, before you arrive, this is nothing, I would say, serious. This is a way just to make more community. I know you meet at some meetings, or maybe you have exchanged some ideas in the Discord, and I have some code or some whatever, but this is the way to know us a little bit more personally and to show us to the world what we do. So the idea is that you introduce yourself for a few seconds, and then we will comment on how this Gemini SOC special program that we are having this year, handled by Mentor Sidharth, that I appreciate a lot his work there, is going on. What is your experience? So let's start by Trang. Trang, introduce yourself briefly.
Hello everyone, my name is Trang Do. I'm originally from Vietnam and currently living in Spain, Barcelona. I just graduated from program in web and software development, and I'm very proud to be a Gemini SOC contributor this year. And my project is Redlist in Angels, overseas and specialized in Vietnam. So, everyone.
Thank you. We are not going to go deeper in the project thing today because, as you know, you all have recorded the video for midterm, Gemini SOC midterm. This is going to be published in a few days. We were waiting for the end of GSOC midterm. That is very complicated. We have many other things to do. Then we will publish the Gemini SOC. It will be published in a few days. There you explain more in a deep way the project you've been developing. So as I said, today is more like a plain conversation. We can stop anyone if you want at any time. This is not so serious, but Mentor Sidharth, you are the next on the meet. I appreciate a lot your work. Thank you very much for helping us in organizing this Gemini SOC and attending the contributors. And just introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Sidharth and I am a software developer and GSOC mentor at Liquid Galaxy, and currently also coordinating Gemini Summer of Code program. And I really enjoyed coordinating this program and having all those discussion sessions, Anirudh, Samtha, everyone collaborative very much. They also Trang also provided that project management sheet. So all these things are very nice, and I think the whole motive for this Gemini Summer of Code we already achieved by making it more collaborative than GSO. So I am really enjoying this program, and I am hoping we will contribute more and do more collaboration.
Actually, I will add that at least we try. Sometimes it's difficult for people to collaborate for nothing. That's bad, but it's the way it works. So as you may remember, the ones that succeed on develop their application and working for real in the Liquid Galaxy, one of the Liquid Galaxies we have at the JEDA laboratories, you will receive a nice swag pack from us with shares and some other stuff. That's it. But the idea is to make a stronger collaboration and start to be more active of the community. And of course, for all of you, if you want and you're interested, apply for next year Google Summer of Code. That, we will start again after we end the thing to this year around mid-September. We will start again around mid-November after we have the World Summit in München that mentor Victor Carreras hopefully will come with me this year, and then we will start again around mid-November activities for GSOC 2027. And as you know, and you all have to remember, nobody is in GSOC. Nobody. We are now in GSOC, but for next year nobody knows. The only thing we can do is work, continue developing our community, doing our software. And then hopefully, if we do well, Google will select us for this year. And you all, Trang, Aniru, Abhishek, Abid, Sabat, Madip, and Aniket, will have more opportunities than other students just because you started early and you are collaborating with us in a stronger way. So, Aniro, introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Anirudh and as you know, I'm from India. And till now, the whole experience in Gemini Summer has been wonderful since it helped me to manage time and also the to get on the reviews and fix them. Siddharth sir has always like helped me in all the reviews, all the features we had. We had quite a few discussions and we solved it further. I had never been actually developed the game thing of kind of thing. So now it seems very interesting since there's a physics required in that, and there's you have to know about the logic of behind the physics. I personally hated a lot physics during my school time, but since now it's the game part of things, so yeah, why not we learn while building? So it's quite good experience now.
That's nice. In front, you have to go against your fears, I will say, at some point. Very nice. Thank you, Aniro. Abhishek.
Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Chaudhary. I am a BTech student who is currently contributing to Liquid Galaxy through the Gemini Summer of Code. For me, especially, it has been an incredible experience with the organization through this program. I had the opportunity to collaborate with so many talented developers with my technical skill, and not only has it motivated me to contribute more to this open source organization, it has also pushed me to go beyond and outside my comfort zone and put my code and contribute to other organizations beyond Liquid Galaxy. So it has been a wonderful journey for me so far.
Good, Abhishek. I need to talk about the physics thing. What is your the thing that bring you out of your comfort zone? What is?
Um, for me, it's I. The thing is that I see so many talented people around me, right? And I see that hey, I might not, my code might not be sufficient or might not look good for them. So I have to like communicate, and like there's this fear of whether I belong there or not. So there has been something that I've been fighting with, but I have been going forward and like dealing with it.
Good. Thank you for confronting your fears. Also, this is good. No one of us is better than other, and we all can learn and share. So, every of us started in a mentor Sidharth. I can tell you the very first email he sent to me, or mentor Jazz that actually is working at Google, and many other persons working in many big companies, and they started also from the very beginning and knowing, I would say, almost nothing, and being so free that do I'm gonna be selected for GSOC or not? Do I'm gonna be on the program? So, and they are doing pretty well now. So that's good to do that, Abhishek. Amit.
So, hello everyone. My name is Amit Verma, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in computer science. And I was interested in participating in the Gemini Summer of Code because it gives me opportunity to work on a real world open source project, learn from experienced mentor, and contribute to the Liquid Galaxy's ecosystem. So, while I exploring the particles uses to be generative AI, and my project is a AI travel itinerary visualization system for Liquid Galaxy. It help user generate a personalization device itinerary using the Gemini AI based on destination and travel dates on budgets. Once the itinerary is generated, user can visualize their trips on a Liquid Galaxy throughout the KML and SSH command. So basically, that is my project, and I'm so remaining. I'm focused to on adding AI travel assist to improve user experience and optimize performance and completing testing and documentation.
Very nice. Um, how are you? So you say that you are starting to implement the AI thing in the program, in the project?
What's up? Hello.
You say that you are starting to implement the AI part.
Yes, yes. I'm starting to implement AI part, AI integration of chatbot.
Good. So don't be angry if I make questions that theoretically I have to know. But remember that we are a very big team of people between selected contributors for GSOC, for Gemini SOC and mentors. We are more than 100 people, and that's sometimes I can't remember everything. Samantha, up to you.
Yes. Hi. So my project is AI assisted climate explorer. So it basically helps us visualize all the effects that affect our day-to-day climate. Right now, I have worked around the logic of the arrows and all of that, but I have a lot more to do. I need to work on the AI implementation, and then the data fetching, cleaning, processing of data, and then I need to have the chatbot feature and all of that. So I'm looking forward to working on that in the upcoming days.
Good. May I ask you if you have some kind of problem or fear you have to confront? Or did you find any problem, a specific problem, or?
So basically, I didn't know anything about Flutter and Dart before this, so I learned on all the way.
You didn't know anything about this lovely guy that is helping us all day long. That can be possible.
Yeah, I didn't know about that.
So I'm sure 100% that some of you will receive one of these in September, October. Once. Take a look, Abhishek has one. Hey, Abhishek, how are you? Nice, nice. Also, I have some pins for you, Al. I will send you pins with the logo. And you see it here, there is another one. Wow, there are many. Good, good. Another interesting questions. Good. Dipen.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Nandwani and I'm from Delhi in India. The topic of my project is Flutter Air Mashup Intelligence. The goal of this project is to project airspace data on Google Earth in the Liquid Galaxy rig with the help of KMLs and to project a storytelling kind of environment in the Liquid Galaxy rig. So far my experience in Gemini SOC has been very good. There were times where I was stuck with things, so I received a lot of help from mentor Sidharth, and also Andrew in the last meet told us that we could use other models other than Gemma, so that was also a big relief. So after that, I've started exploring other machine learning models to implement intelligence features in my application.
Well, this is a question we can comment about, but let's go for Aniket. That is the last one here. Hi, Aniket. It's up to you, and then we will go back to this thing of the models. Aniket, introduce yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So my name is Aniket Dingra. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's from VIT Pune, where the Liquid Galaxy lab is established. So the lab is in my department building, and every day in the morning I pass through. So it's really an honor to work here. And in the last week, I implemented the screen overlays on the rightmost screen, and also implemented the text-to-speech feature using the Flutter TTS. Now my only focus is implementing AI into my app, and mostly I'll be using the Gemini Flash. So yeah, that's it.
Nice. Let's have a short conversation on this. Dipen, you say Dipen. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry if I do it wrong. Excuse me. So you say about, of course, the name of the project of the program is Gemini Summer of Code, and we are a Google-based project. So we have to try to use Google technology. But you're gonna go in some time, in a year or two or whatever, or maybe in a few months, to work for the outside world, to find a very nice work. You will say, I was selected for Gemini SOC, I've been doing this on your LinkedIn. They will select you just for this. So we cannot be attached only to one technology. As technologists, you developers, coders, you have to be open-minded. It's the same thing that we're talking about Flutter. Okay, we do Flutter because that's also a Google project, but this is not only because it's a Google project. We do Flutter just because Flutter is very good. Flutter is multi-platform. Flutter, Dart is a nice and easy language. So, but at a certain point, you can go to another company or whatever, and they will tell you, I need this in React. Well, you have to do that in React. You have to know all the languages and all the things. And if you don't know, no problem. Abhishek, you confront your fears, and you close for a week every afternoon at home, and in a week, after seeing 10 YouTube videos from the most well-known YouTubers in India, and whatever, you will be a master in React. So technology is this way. We have to work with whatever is needed. a certain point. So if this is for real in the many years we've been on the computing thing, I'm a little bit older than you guys. I usually don't say this publicly. I am 60 years old, and I've been more than 40 years on the technology industry. And changes are continuous. Oh, we have another person. Changes are continuous. So today we're in a place, tomorrow we will be in a place, and past tomorrow we'll be in a place. Language go to the top, and then leave. Another language comes, and this thing for the AI specifically now is totally crazy. Whatever we say this week, next week is not going to be there. So we can say, okay, best model, best technology. Now is this one? For example, if we talk about languages, this will happen in months. But talking about AI, this happens in days. We are living in this crazy world. Tanishk. Hello. Hello. We want to see your face. No face. We need to see your face. Aniket, also, I know you are on the street, but we want to see your faces. This is being recorded for the other colleagues. Can you please show the camera, Tanishk?
Yes, sir. Can you please just give me?
I can hear him. Do you hear him, Sidharth?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, Tanish, introduce yourself. You are muted.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Good.
Yes, sir. My name is Manish Sharma. I'm currently in my 4th year of pursuing BTech from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. And currently, I just reached my hostel right now, so that's why I was not able to join on time. My college semester just started, and right now I'm working on the cyber visualization application as a part of the Gemini Summer of Code program by Liquid Galaxy.
Very nice. You say you're located in what city?
Sir, I currently I'm in Chandigarh as my college just started.
Is Mentor Yash from this place? Sidharth? No.
No.
Who's from there? No.
From Chandigarh, no one is.
Oh, I remember someone being from. You have been many in India, so you're many. I remember someone from here.
I used to study in Chandigarh.
Thank you, Tanish. Thank you for coming. Also, we were talking about a little bit that this is a regular meet, so you can raise your hands and comment anything you want. I just simply wanted to all of you to introduce yourself, to comment a little bit on whatever questions you have. I want to show you a few pictures. Let me try if I am able to share my screen. And let's gonna see some very lovely people. Take a look at this. No, this is not working. Why it's not working? Because I am not sharing this way. I think this is way. So, Sidharth, this is Juan.
I am a mentor, yes.
Mentor, yes, and you
Google I/O.
Google I/O Connect.
Yeah, Google I/O Connect.
Google I/O is the one that they do in Mountain View, California. The other ones are Google I/O Connect. I was also in the one in Berlin for Europe, and this was in
Bangalore.
Mangaluru, and you met with Mentor Yash, that actually is a Googler. So, well, actually it's a Noogler because it's in the first year as Googler, and the first year there are no Googlers but a Noogler, and they show this very nice hat. So you met there with Mentor Yash, and here we have sorry, I did it, but here we have mentors. So explain this picture, Siktar.
So here it is contributor Harsh and 2023 contributor Manas with mentor Vedant at GSO meetup.
The people
it is
from
also in Bangalore only.
This one also was in Bangalore. the managers, the world managers of the Google Summer of Code project. One of those ladies are you going to see her in a second. Went to India. They have one meet only in Bangalore, or they have two? I think they have two meetings.
They have two, yesterday and today also.
On where?
It was 2-day event.
It was a 2-day event, but in Bangalore. Okay. I thought they went to two different places. I was wrong. And the other picture, if I am able to see, to show, is this one that is Mentor Vedan with Stephanie. Stephanie is one of the managers of the Google Summer of Code project worldwide, and they met here. They already know because Mentor Vedan was with me 2 years ago in the World Summit we do after GSOC ends. We met Stephanie with Vedan in München, Germany. Yes, we have a beer and then we have Stephanie. It's a joke. In Munich there are plenty of beer. Also, there is another lady, Mary Redomil, that was not in the photo. That is also another incredible manager of the project. So it is nice to see you guys doing relationships and doing more community in those two events. Fantastic. And also, as you can see, Mentor Vedan was showing our lovely Liquid Galaxy shirt. Super good. Very nice. So, what else? Let's gonna comment a bit on the calendar. I would like to make this a little bit more interactive, so I'm just gonna make you questions, guys. Be ready. I'm gonna make a question to Amit Verma. Amit Verma, what is the next step we have in the Gemini SOC program? What is coming now?
So basically, in my project, I will basically running my all.
Excuse me. I'm not talking about coding. I'm talking about general things on the program. The things that you contributors have to do for the program. Not in coding. Every one of you have to continue developing your code. But what is next step? I would say next important day on this. I know this is a very tricky question, but I like to do that kind of questions. I know. Maybe Anilu knows. Yeah, Anilu raises the hand. What?
So around 20, it was supposed maybe tomorrow it was supposed to release the midterm videos, and on August 21st, I think, is the last date to submit our full project videos. And on 29th or 28th of August, I think we have the final meet of this program.
Good. Let's gonna review it step by step, just because this is the right moment. You all receive emails from me. Have you all seen, or some of you, the Google Summer of Code midterm video we release? Do you see that video? The midterm video for GSOC, and do you see the entrance that Kabir contributor did with the crazy days emails from Andreu saying you are gonna be failing? It was very funny. Kabir is a really good man doing that kind of videos. So I have the calendar here on my. I have plenty of screens. I have Liquid Galaxies around. I have many screens in front of me. Actually, I have 6 screens. And this is my home office. Only there is one person that has been on my office for real, that is Trang. And she went to the laboratories a couple of weeks ago. And how many computers we have at the labs? Just give me a number.
No. Oh my god, I think it's like many, because basically for the week we have already 5 one for the biggest one.
No, I'm saying no. How many screens?
Screens. I think 5 for the big.
You're thinking only on the Liquid Galaxy room. Remember that we have 4 areas. Actually, because everything is under control, we have 140 computers and 85 screens. If we have 10 Liquid Galaxies. When we need, we have 10 Liquid Galaxies. since 3 to 5 to 7 screens. Most of them usually are closed or in other questions, but the laboratories have sent 140 computers and 85 screens. That's a lot. So important things. Let me see. Let me take a look at the screens. We're having this meet today. In a couple 3 days, you will receive my email. The midterm video for Gemini SOC will be published. Again, we have to wait till the GSOC ends, and now we can do the Gemini SOC thing. You will receive an email for it. Then the important questions. In August 5, we will have the last general meet like this one. We will be commenting. This will be in 3 weeks. We'll be commenting again how it has been doing, if you find any problem or if you like it or whatever. Amit, Sidharth, and Aniket, I don't want to see no faces here. Please open your cameras. Then regarding about Gemini SOC, important days are very important days. Let me check, because the agenda is mixed between GSOC and Gemini SOC, and it's a little bit tight. I have something like 40 different entries on the agenda. So the important things for you is that on August 5 we have the last general meet, and then what is the day? August 17 is the last day for you to send the final demo video. You already got an email from me saying what is the demo video. It's going to be something like the one you recorded already, but a bit longer, detailing more the code you have done and how's been the end of your project. So the important date, August 5, last GSOC general meeting. August 17, last day. Last day means that you have to send it by this day. You can send it on 16 or 15 or 14, no problem. You can send it early, but you cannot send it later. You know why? In GSOC, in Gemini SOC, we can be a little bit more soft with the dates. Not too much, because we have plenty of things to do. In the demo video of midterm that you see, internally there were 80 videos to edit. 80 videos for the 3 hours long video. So it takes me days to edit these things. Days. So August 17th, last day to send the final demo video. And then August 21 will be live, the video on YouTube. Sorry, I'm getting it wrong. No. You have more days. It's not August 17. Excuse me. Again, I have to read my calendar correctly. It's August 20. August 21. Yes, that's right. Thank you for correcting me. You can correct me. August 21 is the last day for Gemini SOC video. Very last day, because your video will be published on August 29. So it will be on air on August 29, and we need, as I say, days for editing. And think about that, we will be editing the GSOC one and the JSOC one, so it's going to be crazy. So it's August 21, last day for Gemini SOC video, and to August 29 when the video will be published. And then in early September, means nothing. It will be surely the second, third week of September. If your application is good enough good, we will publish also your application in our Go store at the liquidgalaxy.eu website. And what I said before, we will be sending you swag packages to whatever places you live in the world, with shares, pins, and whatever we can send to you. Only for the contributors that really develop their code. So the most important question is that you have to deliver your final application for what date? Samantha, answer my question. What is the last day you can send?
I guess it's 21st.
August 21st? Is August 21st? Everyone are okay with this? August 2021? Yes? August 21 is last day for your application. And when I say last, it means that that's the last day we receive your APKs. And this means that before 21, that is 20, 19, 18, whatever day you go, you have to send us your application for testing, because we need to test your application on a real Liquid Galaxy. Remember, the things you do at home usually work at a real Liquid Galaxy, but not all the times. We have a real experience here. Trang, how was your testing on the Liquid Galaxy? For real?
Yes. Actually, in my computer, because I use the virtual machine, so just only three screen on my computer. But when I press it up, our view, it was a little bit strange because my logo should be like on the leftmost screen, but actually it was on like the second left screen, and also like when I test it on my computer, it was working okay. But when testing with the real rig, there's some problem that is cannot like fly out to. So there's something that I have to change after the meet day, and it was really amazing because it was different between our computer and in the reality. The rig.
So it's very clear. It's different when you have a virtual environment or at your home or wherever you work, that you have a computer with 3 or 4 virtual machines, than when this code runs on a real Liquid Galaxy, that it's an environment that has at least 5, 6, 7 computers. I mean, ours is different. And most of the times what happens is that you are not on GSOC, so you have not seen that, but I hope you already got or you will get some videos reporting about your applications. The problem usually is that when you send the information to a bad screen, and you send information usually in bad aspect ratio. Most of the time the problems are always the same, in bad aspect ratio. Sometimes, of course, you did it not so good, you did it a little bit not nice. If mentors just were there today, would say not usable or not readable. But most of the time the problem is simply this: bad aspect ratio of the information, KML, images or whatever, and bad location of the information on the screen. Remember, you work at home usually for 3 computers, but the minimum visible Liquid Galaxy is 5 always. We have Liquid Galaxies with 3, but those are not only for testing. The minimum rig is 5 screens. And then, I don't know if you have seen that, guys, but we have Liquid Galaxies with 100 screens. 100. So imagine. We have very large Liquid Galaxies around the world, and that's the reason you have to put a settings screen and say what is the number of screens you want to do. You have to ask the person who is connecting your application how many screens the system has, to know what is the left and the right screen, and the rest to find the information on the screens. Very good. What else?
I want to ask something.
Please go.
What if we send our app for testing on 17, 18, and 19, and it doesn't work on the real Liquid Galaxy?
I mean, you have time. You have time till, I will say, the very first week of September for you, for Gemini SOC. I mean, this is not a tight program at Gemini GSOC. Why? Because on GSOC we have to submit the contributors evaluation on the 24th of August. But for Gemini SOC, we don't have to send anything to Google, because this is our program, not Google's program. So we need your video with the application running for this 21, but if you still fail, you still can go till maximum, I would say, first week of September. Okay? If you don't that, if we don't make your application run for real on the 1st of September, the first week of September, this meaning I can try to get the calendar. I imagine this is something around the September 7? No, September 6. September 6 is the last day we can get final versions, because you have to start to send versions as early as you can. You don't have to wait till 21 hours, please. You send us as you have something that is really working, For example, the application we tested the other day from Trang at the laboratories just send a couple of informations to the Liquid Galaxy, not much. I mean, it was very simple, but it was working. That's what we ask to the contributors for midterm, just to run things against the screens, whatever things, sending the logo, sending a few informations. I mean, we know that the project still has to be developed. So start sending early. I would say not much late than the second week of August. Start sending us almost final versions of your code. We will be testing this on the Liquid Galaxy. We need that working for real for the 21 because we need to make the video. We need to make the video, and believe me, if we don't show on a video your application running for real, this is peanuts, because seeing it on your virtual Liquid Galaxy at home is nice, but seeing it on a real Liquid Galaxy is lots better. That's the reason. But again, answering your question, you have till September 6th as maximum for having your application fully working on the Liquid Galaxy. Okay? Does this answer your question? Thank you, Deepen. More questions? Don't be shy. We are not live on YouTube, so no one is seeing us. The other colleagues will see, and the mentors will see us later, maybe. What else? What questions do you want to keep to me? Mentor Sidharth, he's... Go.
On August 5, we're gonna have the meet, and it's gonna be the last meet. But how should we update the process of it so that we can get the feedback on the last meet? Can you help me to specify?
Your sound, Trang, is not so good today.
I'm sorry. Maybe
we are
the
listening to you very choppy.
Okay.
Are you talking to the mics? Are you talking with this?
Yes, with
your laptop does not have a mic.
No, I don't have it.
But you have a laptop?
Yes.
All the laptops have a mic.
Yeah, I think, but not like another mic. So
no. The laptop, all the laptops has a webcam and a mic. You can select, use the mic from the laptop, and the voice will be 100 times better. We are listening to you so choppy. Okay. Yes, on the meet, go to the mic down left, and select the other mic from your computer. Yeah, that's better.
Okay,
yeah,
thank you so much.
Be near the camera. Also be near the camera. Be near the camera. Again, repeat your question.
Okay, I have a question about the last meeting. So on August 5th, we're gonna have the last meeting. But how about the process of it? Can we have some way to update the process so that mentors can answer our questions?
You always have your mentor Sidharth ready to help you. And if we need some help from other mentor, imagine you have some special question that mentor Sidharth, that is a great developer, does not know the answer, we can reach other mentors, and other mentors will jump in the conversation. But I mean, you have the Discord channel. We can always be talking there and commenting things. You can ask questions to the community or to us. And this is till we finish this. I will say the first round. Again, September 6th will be the last day. We develop a tight conversation. Now, of course, we will continue doing conversations on the Discord, but I mean for this year, Gemini SOC. I am answering your question or not?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Your voice is 100 times better now. It was very choppy for your earphones. Okay, Tanishk, questions. Any question?
Specific question from my side right now. I'm currently facing some issue in integrating, like the Google Maps feature. It works fine when I connect my laptop with my physical Android device. But whenever I run the Google Maps on my Android emulator, it gets always stuck. So I'm trying to figure that out, and I'm thinking I'll ask it in the Discord in a few days.
Okay, I don't know. Sidharth will answer to this, but for me, is the first thing always is the same. You as developer have to go to the origin. We have 200 different projects working on our GitHub. This is totally done. We also this year we all use AI, so you can ask AI the question. Then you have mentor Sidharth, and if of course you have the Discord, you can ask to your contributors, colleagues the question. And at the end, if we all don't find the answer, again we will check with other mentors. But I am pretty sure this will not arrive. Sidharth, comment.
Yeah, like make sure when you are using emulator, you have play services installed in emulator, and it is mostly likely because of memory issue. Like if it is working on physical device, you can continue using that only because you will be testing in a real device on. That is better than using emulator.
Yes, sir, I think it might be due to my laptop physical limitations.
Yeah, also make sure like when you create this emulator, there are option of adding play services, so make sure that it is there in
Yes,
that
sir,
device.
the first device was not having the Google API service. Then I
Mhm.
tried with another device with the Google API service. Still, it was not working.
So it is like mostly memory issue only.
Okay, let's
Yes,
continue
sir, I
that
think.
kind of deep technical questions for the Discord and for conversations with your mentor, because if not, we will stay forever on this meet today, and this is not the question. Aniket, do you have any general question?
Yes, sir, I just wanted to ask, as there is one Liquid Galaxy lab in my college, can I test my app on that rig?
That's a very good
Can I
question.
test
So
it?
actually, we have three people working at the Liquid Galaxy Lab, Pune, Pune, and what you can do is reach mentor Vedant, send an email to him. You know the email of mentor Vedant? You know it?
No, no, no.
Okay, I'm going to send you the email after this conversation, because Mentor Vedan is the one that handles the coordination with the BIT Pune laboratory. We have three or four, I don't remember now. We have some students that already are testing your applications. All of the applications from GSOC and Gemini SOC, they are testing the applications on the labs. So you can go. That's why the lab was created, just for use it. So I will exchange an email with Vedan, and then we'll coordinate with you or with the right persons to go test at the Liquid Galaxy Lab in BIT Pune. And guys,
Perfect. Thank you.
from the other, thank you, Aniket. Guys from the other universities, that's the way it works. If you are interested in having a Liquid Galaxy Lab at your laboratories, you have to ask your majors or your persons in charge, and we can have a conversation with them. We don't have a budget for this. The budget has to come from the university. But what happens? If the university spends a little bit of money and builds a lab, this means that more students from this university will be selected, hopefully, if they do a good work, for GSOC next year. And that's it. If your university is willing to have a Liquid Galaxy Lab, just contact me and we can have a conversation with them. More questions. Deepen. Do you have any question?
I have a general question. What are the configurations that are used in a real Liquid Galaxy, like the processor, the RAM, the real size?
Whoa! That's nice. We run Linux. We still run very old version of Linux because it works. We did it so well in the very beginning that it is working still after 18 years. Take care with this. So, the machines, the only thing that do is running Linux and running Genome, and on top of Genome, running a Google Earth. Means peanuts. I mean, the CPUs are doing nothing. The machines on the Liquid Galaxy actually are i7s with 8 gig of RAM and a good mSATA disk drive. This is more than enough. You can see the machines are very small ones, like brick ones from Gigabyte that are on our videos. This is something machines that are this size and are on all the videos of the Liquid Galaxy. You can see this on the top of the table. So i7s, 8 gigs of RAM, and very old GPU. I mean, I don't remember the name of the GPU, very old one. I mean, because to run in Google Earth, you don't need anything. You don't need, it's nothing special. So this is the specifications of our.
But I am having 16 gigs of RAM. Still, it is very choppy. And when I see the real LG videos, they are like very smooth.
I am 100% that it will be more than for the speed of the machines, for the speed of the internet. What internet do you have?
It's 100 Mbps.
Yeah, that's fast. It should work okay for 3 machines, but we have 1000 for 5 machines. We have a 1 gigabit line dedicated only for this Liquid Galaxy. So usually it's more about the internet speed. So you can run a Liquid Galaxy in a Pentium 2. So, but the question is that you are running not one, you're running 4 machines usually. Emulator for the Android application and 3 other virtual boxes for the. That's the point. You run as operating system plus the 4 layers of the virtual boxes plus the systems on top. If you have 16 gigs, it has to work. There are many people that does that with 8 gigs and it still work. So your machine has, for this reason I'm saying, surely your problem will be on the internet speed, not on the. But again, if it does not work as nice in your home, when we test it at our lab, it will work nice because we have a very speedy line. You get the point?
Yeah, I get it.
Samantha, do you have any question?
Sir, not really anything. Before the meet, I wasn't sure about the deadlines, but then now it got clarified.
Okay, so I will send you again. I mean, calendars. When we work under Google terms, calendars are very strict, or for Gemini SOC are not that strict. I already have sent you many emails saying those are the days, those are the days, those are the days. Sometimes things change, and I have taken my notes. And I will send you an email after this, remembering you the date, this date, this date, this date, this date, to be clear also. Abhishek, any question?
No, sir. Deepin asked what my code I was doubtful about.
Good. Aniru?
Not
Good.
really, sir.
Perfect.
If I have any, I'll ask.
Okay. Mentor Sidharth, do you want to say something before we close?
Yeah, I will say just keep contributing. Nothing more.
That's good.
And if you have any doubt, there is LG Wiki and Discord.
Very good. I didn't say LG Wiki, I say the web, but of course LG Wiki that has just been renovated this week. We renovate LG Wiki. We have another backend for the LG Wiki. We have something like 400 entries on LG Wiki. LG Wiki knows everything about the Liquid Galaxy. And also, believe me, if you use Gemini or whatever other AI, if you ask for Liquid Galaxy, they know everything about us. And if not, you can send the feed of the LG Wiki, and then suddenly your agent or whatever you use will know everything about the Liquid Galaxy. It will be very helpful. Amit, do you have a question?
Sir, I have a slightly fun question. I saw Liquid Galaxy website and Liquid Galaxy YouTube channel, watching a few videos previous year, and I noticed that some contributor received some cool swag pack with the T-shirt and sticker, chocolates, and other goodies. So I'm curious, can we expect something similar this year?
Actually, I already said that. I don't know what I'm gonna send you because we have swag, but then we create every time. For example, the nice shirt that Mentor Vedant was showing in Bangalore, we don't have at this moment. I don't know, Sidharth, do you have any shirt of Liquid Galaxy? No. Even Mentor Sidharth does not.
No.
Even Mentor Sidharth. So I don't know what we usually do every time. We do some, I will say, dozens or 20, 30 or whatever. Sometimes we do hundreds. It depends on the events. So, again, all of you that pass Gemini SOC, that means that for September 6th, we have run your application for good in the real Liquid Galaxy, you will receive a swag pack. This will be we'll be sending those in the second week of September, so you will receive it in India or wherever you are a few weeks later. But we will be sending. It will have a shirt, Flutter shirt 90% sure because we have many now. We have pins. We have I don't know. We have stickers of the Liquid Galaxy. We have some key rings. We have many things. But I can assure now what is the things we are going to send you because this is we do events continuously and we don't know what was. But you will receive a swag package as it was clearly marked since the very beginning. So thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
Guys, Trang, Aniru, Abhishek, Tanish, go.
I want
Deepen.
to ask some.
Yes, go.
What is the agenda for the next meeting on 5th of August? That is the last meeting.
Exactly the same than this one. We are just meeting to make community. We don't have a clear agenda. Just I want you to come to comment things among us. I mean, Gemini SOC meets have this idea behind create community, and then at certain point, not much for these videos, but just for the midterm video or for the final video, give you visibility, because we will publish under our account and with the Liquid Galaxy logos a video where you are presenting your stuff. You can point to this video your that you have done this, and it gives to you publicity if you want this publicity. But those bits are just for seeing us, make comments, commenting, love, like your lovely faces, and that's it. Again, Tanis, Deepen, Samama, Amit, Abhishek, Aliru, Trang, thank you very much. Mentor Sidharth, thank you very much for your help always. And see you soon. I will be sending. Oh, Aniket is coming back. Aniket, are you ready for the soccer or not?
Yes, sir. I'm outside for the finals only. So
I don't want to ask you if you are with Spain or with Argentina. This is not a question we are going to handle today. You can go with whatever you want. So feel free. So thank you. See you soon. And again, I will be sending you an email with all the dates we arranged today. We clarify just for you to have it clear. So say bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye. Bye.